Alright guys, Caps Fever 517 from thehobbytalk.com, bringing you a one-box break of 2010-2011 certified hockey for Derby Dog Bark, also known as Red Wings Fan on the Hobby Talk forum. I'm going to be breaking box number 31. Good luck. Empty box. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 packs. Pack 1, here we go. Right off the bat, we have a mirror red, numbered 84 of 250 for the Washington Capitals, Mike Green. Filler. Rest is base. Back 2. Here we have a Junior Legacy jersey card, numbered 199 of 250. Dual of Peter Mueller and Zach Hamill, both one color. Rest is base. Pack 3. Here we have a certified potential insert, number 24/500 for the Ottawa Senators, Jared Cohen. Base. Pack 4. Here we have a Masked Marvels Prime. Little bit of stitching on the second one here. Numbered 7 of 10 for the Washington Capitals, Semyon Varlamov. Numbered 7 of 10. The rest is base. I don't know, Caps box, man. It's my kind of box. Here we have our freshman signatures auto, numbered 729 of 899 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Braden Irwin. Filler and base. Pack 6. Semyon Varlamov. Braden Irwin. We have a mirror red out of 250. The Devils, Zach Parise. Filler, base, back 7. Wow. This was a Washington Capitals box here. Here we have a Fabric of the Game, one color, number 243 of 250 for the Washington Capitals, Nicholas Backstrom. Man, this is my box. Rest is base. Should be one more auto yet. A certified champions insert, number 366 of 500 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Kane. Yeah, it would be auto. That'd be sick. Base. Pack 9. We have a Certified Legends Blue, Mirror Blue, number 97 of 100 for the Colorado Avalanche, Patrick Waugh. A little ink on that would never hurt. And pack 10. Oh, not a bad rookie auto here. Numbered 15 of 12.99 for the Ottawa Senators, Bobby Butler. Kid's gonna be a stud here in a year or two. Filler and base. Recap the hits. Plays for Ottawa. Have the Bobby Butler auto. Yeah, he was playing in the AHL. He'll get a shot though. The Mirror Blue Certified Legends insert, Patrick Waugh. Certified Champions insert, Patrick Kane. A Fabric of the Game one color, Nicholas Backstrom. Parise Mirror Red. Freshman Signatures of Braden Irwin. Masked Marvels Prime dual jersey. A little bit of stitching on the one side, numbered 7 of 10 for the Washington Capitals, Semyon Varlamov. Certified Potential insert, Jared Cohen. A Junior Legacy dual jersey of Zach Hamill and Peter Mueller. And a Mirror Red insert of Mike Green. That concludes box break for Derby Dog Bark.